English prepositions. Common mistakes even advanced speakers make. Why are prepositions so difficult? They rarely follow fixed rules. They often don't translate directly. Small changes can completely change the meaning. Examples. Christmas is in December. Christmas is on December 25th. I live in Los Angeles. I'm at the post office. Learn the patterns, not just the rules. In verses at places. Use in for cities, countries, and large areas. I live in Chicago. She works in New York. Enclosed spaces. They're in the room. He's in the building. Use at for specific places or activities. I'm at the market. He's at the bus stop. They're at the restaurant. At versus in. Same place, different meaning. At the restaurant. Focus on the location. Let's meet at the restaurant. In the restaurant. Focus on being inside. Let's meet in the restaurant. Another example. I'm at the market. I'm there to shop. I'm in the market. I'm physically inside the building. On versus at addresses. Use on. Street name only. She lives on Main Street. My office is on Oxford Street. Use at. Street number plus street name. She lives at 537 Main Street. The office is at 789 Oak Avenue. Remember, in the city, on the street, at the exact address, specific locations. Use at for exact points. Examples. At the corner of Broadway and Wall Street. At the intersection of Main Street and Pine Avenue. At the entrance. At the exit. Rule. The more specific the location, the more likely you'll use at. In versus on dates. Use in months. In April. In July. In September. Use on specific dates. On April 10th. On July 4th. On August 22nd. Examples. Her birthday is in April. Her birthday is on April 10th. Adjectives plus prepositions. Good/bad/terrible at. I'm good at math. She's bad at cooking. He's terrible at remembering names. Known for. She's known for her beautiful voice. The restaurant is known for its pasta. Match engaged to. She's married to John. He's engaged to Emily. More adjective plus preposition patterns. Disappointed in a person. I'm disappointed in you. Disappointed with a thing or result. I'm disappointed with the movie. Absent from. He was absent from work. Dressed in. She's dressed in black. Composed of. Water is composed of hydrogen and oxygen. Made of versus made from versus made out of. Made from. Original material changes. Paper is made from wood. Wine is made from grapes. Made of. Original material is still visible. The table is made of wood. The ring is made of gold. Made out of. Creative or unusual construction. She made a basket out of bottle caps. He made a heart out of paper. Decide which preposition. Decide to. Action or plan. I decided to leave early. Decide on. Choose between options. We decided on the blue one. Decide against. Choose not to do something. I decided against buying the car. She decided against going. More verbs plus prepositions. Consist. The meal consists of rice and vegetables. Discriminate against. It's illegal to discriminate against employees, Plan to. Clear intention. I plan to finish today. Plan on. Expected or less definite plan. We plan on visiting next week. Key takeaways. Remember these patterns. In cities, enclosed spaces, months. At exact locations, activities, full addresses. On streets, dates. Learn adjective plus preposition combinations. Learn verb plus preposition combinations. Prepositions are small words, but they make a big difference in sounding natural and fluent.